The Super Mario Bros. Classroom Blast PowerPoint game is made by Jennifer Young of the Weigoop forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below of the video so you can get a copy of this for yourself. So the home screen is some toad heads, and you have to choose which one in order to go to a question, and you'll choose by a letter or number. You ask the question, they get the question correct, and you click on the Mario to go to the reward or punishment. And here you get points denoted by the amount of Mario coins you receive, and you click on the house in the bottom right corner to return to the home screen. They have some special events. For example, sometimes you have an option of different blocks, block 1, block 2, block 3, that give you different rewards or punishments. You could receive a bomb and lose some points. You could receive a star and gain lots of points. Or you could receive a shell where you can steal some points. This Pokemon English PowerPoint game is made by Sprite06 of the Weigoop forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to check out and get your copy. The home screen is a whole bunch of Pokeballs with letters on them. You choose Pikachu and answer a question. Pikachu. You answer that question correctly, you click on the Pokeball. You receive a Pokemon and experience points, which denotes the amount of points that the students receive. Go back to the home screen, you click on the Pokemon English text. Sometimes there are special events. So this one you have to choose which color Pokeball. Special Pokemon. And lots of points. Or
the time has come to shatter this clockwork universe forever. Let us no longer be slaves of the hourglass. I warn you, those who do not embrace this greater path shall become victims of its passive
you choose where you save your points, or so the Madagascar PPT bomb game is made by Plague Monkey of the Weigoop forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get that free PPT download copy. The home screen, selection of penguins with letters on them, and you've got to select one of those penguins. You'll go to a question screen. If you get the question incorrect, click on the giraffe to go back to the home screen. If it's correct, click on the lion.
Wow, I feel good.
There's this sort of automatic rolling of the dice, and whatever it lands on, that is the student's points. Return to the home screen, click on the lion. There are also special events as well. One is where you have to choose from a selection of crates. You can get lots of points. You can steal other people's points. Superhero Mystery Box PowerPoint game is made by KBrook8 of the Waygoop forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get your free downloadable PPT copy of the game. The home screen is a selection of text clouds, and you have to choose one of the letters to go to a question. To answer the question correctly, you can then go to a box screen. Now, inside the box, you don't know if it's good or bad. And the caveat here is the students have to choose whether they want to keep and open the box or give it to another team. This time here, for example, it's plus points, but on a different question, it could be minus points. They never know. To go back to the main screen, click on the rocket in the bottom right-hand corner. The Fox PowerPoint game is made by Zeeks of the Waygoop forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below for you to get the free downloadable copy of the game. The home screen is a selection of foxes, surprise there, and numbers. Students choose numbers to go to questions. If they answer the question correctly, they'll go to a point screen.
What does the fox say?
And students will get a number of points that will go towards their team.